Want a surefire way to not get ripped off the next time you go to the repair shop? Well, potentially a surefire way. My daughter-in-law, to be ex-daughter-in-law, never know what's gonna happen, took her car to a shop today and tells me they told her your car needed $1,000 worth of repairs. Look at this damn thing. Freaking 2000 Buick. Used to have $1,000 worth of repairs done to it. It's a 22-year-old Buick. The reason the thing even still runs is because it's got a 3.8 in it. The repair shop tells you need work. Just ask them, and can you explain to me and show me on the freaking car why I need them parts? Even if you don't know anything about cars, shake your head and pretend like you do. I do it daily on my YouTube channel, and I get 500,000 views every month, and I don't know shit about cars. More than likely, they won't try to cheat you if they think you know what you're talking about. Be mindful of people like me that could dazzle you bullshit instead of brilliance. Makes sense to you? Go ahead and do it. Not sure, second opinion. You can just watch my show and I'll show you everything you need to know about automobiles. No matter what it is in life you think you can or cannot do, I promise you, if anyone else can do it too. God bless. The best of days.